Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Get it out of this bag here. Alright, we have two cross stitch kits and it is from PaintSomeWay. And let's take a look. So this one, we have a Joy Sunday Wannabe. It is a pre-stamped. Thank goodness. It's called British Teacup. It's 14 count, 26 by 21. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bags with all your information on the back. And reusable bag. They are lovely and they're nice and thick. And they don't get ruined, you know, real easily. Let's turn this around and see what we got here. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the blues. Isn't that gorgeous? There's some back stitching, but it is a partial, so there's not that much, you know, stitching to be done. And it has 29 colors. And this key will not match your canvas. It has its own separate key. But this is a nice, easy to read paper pattern. It's on that real heavy material. It's 104 by 90 and it was $4.99. And they have several of these teacups. So you can get them in different, let's call them scenes, if you will. So very nicely printed thing. It does have full stitch, back stitch, and French knots. Mostly back stitch, and there's, it looks like, two big French knots here. You could use beads if you wanted to. So very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. And this is one of the older ones, so it doesn't have like how many threads you get of each and the DMC numbers running through here. Does have two needles and they're nice and small, but beautiful, beautiful colors in blues and reds and yellows and kind of a pink, like a rose color. And then you got some oranges over here and different shades of green. So a wide variety of shades. I don't see any purple. Well, that's kind of a blue violet, kind of. It's kind of a pale or a medium lilac. So, very beautiful colors. Looks like there's lots of threads to be had there. And like I said, the picture is not very big. It's landscape. It goes this way. Sorry. Stop. The more I hit it, and then I tried to stop it, it made it worse. It is serged all the way around. It is 26 centimeters that way, and 21 that way. Actual picture size is 6.5 or 16 centimeters, and it is 19 centimeters or 7.5. So very nice, very nicely done. And I did have another one, I don't remember, something to do about France, and then there was something to do about India, but they've had these for a long time. It does have the product numbers that are on the front page there, and a nice key that runs, let me just bring you in a little bit closer. Very nice key, very easy to see. Very easy to see symbols. Because the back stitching is really going to make this. So that'll be nice. And you have full regular cross stitch here and back stitching here. There's 3 different colors. And your one, well, there's actually 2, but 1 color of French knot that's down here. So very nicely printed. I just thought that was a pretty little picture. And you know, if you wanted to collect all those, you know, it'd have I'm gonna pull that back out. You know, there's several to choose from there, and they're not real expensive, maybe $5 each. Alright, so the next one I got is, we're like going from one extreme to the next. Get it out of here first. Nice big bag. And this is what I call Lady with Sparrows. Isn't that pretty? It's got a lot of background though. It is a 50 by 90. It is an 11 count. It's 191 by 364. And it comes on a nice big printed piece of paper. Isn't that pretty? Very well printed. It does have 40 colors, and let me see if I can get it up close enough. It does show the colors running down the sides. I dropped something, but oh, hang on. Couldn't figure out what it was. Hang on, I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, the colors run down the side, so if you want a certain color, they're kind of small, but this is a very big and well printed pattern. Nice, easy to read symbols. Let me turn this over. And it does not look like it has a whole lot of confetti at all. Looks like nice big areas. Maybe a little bit of confetti, say in her face, or this flower arrangement in her hair. Now the background is 225, not 310 this time. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. But I just like all that stuff in her hair. She has like a little bird thing in her hair. It looks like it's made out of metal. Then she has this necklace affair going on. So very, very nice. Trying to keep it in the light. And there's some birds down here. But yeah, I just thought it was pretty. I just liked it. I wished her dress had been a different color, but what can I say? It is what it is. Now we have a few threads. Just a few. Pull them out and put that up there because I'm going to reuse that bag. So you have 934, 3799. Both of those are kind of a dark green. I can't tell them apart, I swear. They really, maybe this has got more black in it, this one right here. But this one's more of a dark, not emerald, what's the word? I don't know. It's a dark green. I don't know how else to explain it. Then we have an entire hank of 3371, which is all the branches. It's a dark brown. You have, that's three. And you have 3 hanks, 40 strands in each one of these hanks. So it's 120 strands of 310 black. You have a hank of 554, which is like a light tan. And then you have, let me make sure they're all the same, 225, 225, 225, 225. Come on, where's your little N? 225. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanks. 5 times 40 is 200 strands of this shell pink, which is going to be your background there. That's that number 2 color. But holy cow. Let's take a look at the rest of the colors. What can I say? That's a bit. Well, if I can get it undone. We're getting there. Hang on. Gotta shake it out. Everybody's all mooshed together. Okay, we'll start with the small card. So you got some mochas, some browns, some dark brownish gold. It's kind of got a gold hint to it. Very nice. Did I tell you there's 40 colors in here? Let's turn this inside out. And then you have some deep dark blue. I believe this is 823. I don't see any 939. This right here where the 27 is, it's the 3371. And there's one of the dark greens. Very nice. Very lovely. Some bright orangish color to pick everything up. And this is kind of a caramel color. I don't know how else to explain that. But yeah, a lot of beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous threads. They're all nice and soft. I'm just going to roll them up here for a second so nobody gets lost. Sorry for the crinkling again. So, the canvas is serged all the way around. Hold that thought. Cut off the little strings. So that helps. I don't know that I can get all this in there at once. But nice big picture. Look at all that areas of twos. Oh my goodness. Now, the browns are going to go in here for the sticks. Yeah, just absolutely lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 40 colors. And the stitching does go into the numbers, but your paper pattern will match your canvas. On this one, it does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Let me flip it for you. Whoa, holy heck. Everybody's falling. I had no idea this was that big. This one was... I think it was like $19.99, somewhere around there. But not a lot of confetti at all, you know. You're just kind of ping, 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 ping here and there. Because everything else is huge. Her whole dress is done in 310 black. I mean, where you see that yellow. And this is that cream color on the other side. It'd take you a hot moment to stitch all that. Oh my goodness. And I don't know that I can measure. I can measure across, but... Oops. Gotta turn it over. Hang on. Across is 51. And it was supposed to be 50, so you get a little extra. And actual picture size across is 17.5 or 44 centimeters. I'm gonna try this. Hang on. We're gonna give it a shot. It is, dang it, get there. 45 and 45 is 90 centimeters, and I have no idea. 42 and 42 is 84, which was, hold on, 84 is 33 inches, so it's fair size. It'll take you a hot moment to do that. I don't know where I'd start on this, but it's just absolutely beautiful. Very well printed, very easy to see. You could add back stitching if you wanted to certain things. I'd have to see it stitched to kind of go, oh, that could use a little bit of highlight, you know, to make it come out more or whatever. But yeah, that background. Yeah, oh, what dropped, I forgot to tell you. It did come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have, I don't know if you can see that. I hope. It's like a blossom, peach, plum, pear, not sure. But very nicely printed. I always have good luck with PaintSomeWay. I like their selection. The prices are always good and comparable. They're not overdone. Yeah, sorry. They do have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also do custom. And I'm not sure. They only have custom in cross-stitch and diamond painting. They usually have some kind of a, what do you call it, a special, you know, buy 3 get 1 free or something like that. I'll put that in the description below. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also have counted cross stitch and beaded cross stitch. And I'm not sure if they have a separate like embroidery section. And they also have a separate Joy Sunday section. So do check them out, and I believe I have a discount code for you, and I will put that in the description below. Other than that, thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. I love them both. So we'll see what gets done first. You know how that goes. There's a waiting list. Now there is a waiting list. So, yeah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Be safe. Be healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.